want to remind you about our brand new newscast. It's called News Center Maine Prime at 9. It will only air on our streaming platform, News Center Maine Plus.
Prime at 9, it's a little different. It is part newscast, part podcast. Bailey Cornick and Ryan Breton will bring you all the day's news and weather, as you always expect, starting with a full forecast right at the beginning of every show. And if you don't already have News Center Maine Plus, you can download it right to your television for free through Roku, Fire TV, or Apple TV. They are joined by some of our producing staff as well for some lively conversation.
Ryan Breton's face in that. I want to know what they're saying.
Well, clearly Bailey is very entertaining. Bailey just turned around and gave us a look.
He looks scared. That's what he looks. He looks worried about what's being said, which
What
I
could-
like.
That's
That
how
kind
we
of
usually feel, so it's nice
Yes,
for someone else to
I see
have
it.
some of that pain.
You know what I really, and it's very, I haven't done this many times, but if I really get Brian, I'll see just a little drop of sweat.
Right on my brow.
Just a little drop.
True
This is
story.
probably why they didn't ask you to be part of the Prime at 9.
They don't need that. They're good on their own. It's going to be great. I like the time for it too.
Yeah.
Because Maine is an early state. Like I go to
Right.
bed.
9 o'clock is perfect.
Yeah.
Get it all and then go to bed.
I love that for them. All right. Are we doing weather right now? Okay, I'm reading that. I'm seeing that story, and I didn't know what was going on. 69 in Portland right now. Beautiful day. Everywhere the coast a little bit cooler than inland, but we're right around 70 to 72 after a cool start to the morning. 70 in Bangor right now, 72 in Holland, and 69 in Millinocket. Visible satellite looking good. A lot of sunshine. Few clouds in Aroostook County. That's it. And we hadn't seen much cloud cover since our rainy day on Sunday. So today, beautiful. Tonight, cool. Not quite as cool as last night, but I don't know if you'll notice the difference because we're only going to be a few degrees warmer than last night. 39 in Freiburg, 36 in Berlin, in the 40s for most of us right to the coastline here late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Tomorrow is a little bit cloudier than today because we've got a storm that's going to miss to our south and east, so some of the clouds will still stream from that system. I don't think there's really a big shower risk, but there is a chance maybe over down east, the mid-coast, to see an isolated sprinkle. Most of us, though, more clouds along the coast. Nicer the farther northwest you head away from that low. So the mountains, northern Maine, likely sunny through the day tomorrow. There's that isolated shower chance. This is late Wednesday, early Thursday, Washington, Hancock County especially. That system moves away back to nice weather on Thursday. Thursday will be a really pleasant day, upper 70s to around 80. Once again, a lot of sunshine. Dew points are low still, so even though it's warmer, I wouldn't characterize it as hot. It'll just be a bit warmer than it's been. And then it's quiet straight through Friday too. Temperatures once again in the 70s there. So there's that storm missing. A little front comes through Thursday afternoon, Thursday night. You're not going to notice it. It'll just knock temperatures down a few degrees for Friday, which looks great. As does Saturday. Sunday looked a little sketchy for a while with the models this morning giving us a chance for a mountain shower. They've kind of backed off that, but you can still see that feature right there and another low right here. So we'll keep an eye on Sunday as to whether or not we have to add an isolated shower. I don't think it's likely to go way downhill on us, but just something to watch on Sunday. Saturday looks like the more solid of the two weekend days. Either way, we run the model straight through Sunday night, and you're seeing not much rain out there. Mostly out over the ocean, but a lot of zeros for us. We continue our drought situation going forward. I hate using the same icons, but also that's what it's going to be. I mean, it's just mostly sunny to partly cloudy straight through, with the most cloud cover being along the coastline on Wednesday, and then the rest of it is fairly sunny. I like Thursday, I like Friday, I like Saturday. Again, I think Sunday's fine. We'll keep an eye on it. Maybe a shower on Tuesday, but you guys have seen this happen before. The models keep pushing rain back in these scenarios. Originally, it looked like Sunday night, Monday. The latest models had Tuesday over just southern Maine, and if we miss that, then it goes another several days dry. So we could rip off almost 2 weeks dry if that rain doesn't hit us.
That's pretty incredible.
Yeah.
All right, Keith, thank you.